Updating your address on eTrade is a straightforward process that can be completed online. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your eTrade account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account or profile section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings where personal information can be updated. Step 3. Select Address Update. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Address. Click on this option to proceed to the Address Update section. Step 4. Enter new address. Input your new address details in the provided fields. Double check for any errors to ensure that your address is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your address has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your address on eTrade. Keeping your information current is essential for receiving important communications and ensuring account security.